In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Phantom wallet to tapswap. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your wallet for easy transactions on the platform. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, type in the address for tapswap and press enter. This action will take you to the tapswap homepage where you can access all the features available. Next, look for the option labeled Connect Wallet prominently displayed on the page. This button is usually located in the upper right corner of the tapswap interface. Click on Connect Wallet to initiate the connection process. After selecting Connect Wallet, a list of compatible wallets will appear. From this list, find and select Phantom. This choice will prompt the platform to prepare for the connection with your Phantom wallet. Once you click on Phantom, a pop-up will appear from your Phantom wallet. This pop-up is essential as it requests your approval to link your wallet with tapswap. Review the details in the pop-up to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. After reviewing, click the Approve button in the Phantom pop-up. This action finalizes the connection between your Phantom wallet and tapswap. You should see a confirmation message indicating a successful connection on the tapswap interface. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your browser allows pop-ups and that your Phantom wallet is properly set up. Additionally, if you have a slow wander connection, the approval process may take a moment longer than usual. Always verify that you have the latest version of the Phantom wallet for optimal performance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.